somewhere beneath the ocean right now. Something to Grid.
This facility doesn't appear on most maps. Inside these walls, one of the most complex machines in human history is
A military attack submarine. Deadlier than a destroyer. Quieter than a whisper.
Every machine, every worker, every process inside this building exists for one purpose.
It starts with steel, but not 100 high-yield steel, engineered to withstand pressures that would crush a car like a tin can. Each steel plate is over 2 inches thick. Each one costs more than most homes, and every single one must be perfect. These two arrive at the shipyard, drawn, tagged, tracked, and assigned to a specific section of the hull. Before a single weld is made, every plate is x-rated and scanned for employed 800 visible cracks. Each steel plate is plasma cut to tolerances of less than a millimeter. The hull of an is not a simple cylinder. That hydraulic press exerts 10,000 tons of force, and still, it bends that plate with the precision of a surgeon's hand. The hull is assembled in sections, called ring, weighs hundreds of tons. Each one must align with the next to within a fraction of a millimeter. CNC machines carve out openings for torpedo tubes, sensor arrays, and pressure hatches. Automated welding robots work around the clock, running the full circumference of each hull joint without stopping, without fatigue, without error.
Step inside, and the scale becomes personal.
Submerged arc welding. No open flame, no sparks visible, just a 10,000-degree electric arc fusing. These are not ordinary welders. They are certified to military grade, spending years mastering the exact technique required for submarine-grade fusion.
What began as flat spray plates is slowly becoming one of the most feared machines ever constructed.
Over 140 miles of electrical cable are installed by hand. Every wire labeled, every junction tested, every connection documented in a permanent military record. The combat management system is the submarine's brain. HRK can 12 any event of sonar processing.
The propulsion shaft, its design reduces acoustic signature to near zero, making this machine almost impossible to detect by sonar.
The sonar dome houses the submarine's primary detection array, able to hear another vessel from hundreds of miles away through solid oceans. Each torpedo tube is machined to tolerances that would make a Swiss watchmaker jealous. The fit must be perfect, at every depth, at every pressure. The control room alone contains over 2,000 individual switches, monitors, and control panels, all installed, connected, and tested by hand. The periscope mast integrates optical, thermal, and electronic intelligence sensors, giving the crew eyes above the surface while remaining completely submerged. Check the blueprint. This valve seals the dive sequence. Copy. Aligning now. Pressure looks good. Good. Lock it down tight.
The sail rises. The silhouette defined naval warfare for over a century.
Before any human steps inside, if it holds, it's squared enough. Every gauge is watched. Every reading is logged. One failure here saves 42 lives later. There are no second chances at 800 feet below the surface. Every single weld and entered into a permanent record that will last as long as the submarine itself. The exterior is coated with anechoic tiles, rubber panels that absorb sonar waves instead of reflecting them, making the submarine nearly invisible to detection.
Each tile is applied by hand, every one a shield against detection in the deep ocean.
The crew quarters are built into every available space, including co-designated stair tracks. The life support system can sustain the crew for months underwater, recycling air, managing CO2.
Construction never stops.
Every system must be operational. No exceptions. Confirmed, sir. All systems are green. Check the ballast control. The navigation system uses inertial guidance. No GPS, no external signals. Launch day. The dry dock floods for the first time. And for the first time, this machine meets the element it was born for.
8,000 tons of steel. And yet, it floats.
Every water meets 7 years of work. And this moment, when gravity finally yields.
The commissioning ceremony. The submarine receives its name and its identity.
Its name is painted on the sail. Its location, Submarine.
It moves slowly at first, guided by tugs through the channel it was born in.
Sea trials begin. For 18 months, every system will be tested, pushed, and broken, then fixed and tested again. Nothing is assumed, everything is proven.
Beneath through water, the water moves, like it was always dragged to be here.
Inside the control room, the crew runs through hundreds of scenarios. Dive tests, emergency drills, weapon system checks.
Dive. The ocean swallows it whole. In seconds, the sea desists on the surface of the earth.
At depth, it is alone. In a world with no light, no sound, exactly where it was designed to be.
Back at the shipyard,